guys, we're back on the video. Today we're gonna poke the beehive. So we'll just do this. Wait, guys, I'll catch you guys right now. I'm back, and right now we're gonna do it. We're just gonna have it like that. You're poking the first.
They hit on your knees.
Where's the stick at?
I'm gonna hit it like butt.
Yeah, no, but what's the stick at? What? You could just hit it hard with your leg.
No, because I'm gonna
With your arm. Then we hit them with your head.
Look at this.
What do you even came out?
What? I think it can come out.
Boom.
Wait. What's your little hole?
Go.
No, when to leave.
Go. Do it.
You want me to? Fine.
Go.
Fine, I'll do it.
Kick it.
No, I'm not gonna kick it. I'm not gonna kick it. Kick it like definitely. Can you come with me? So then both of us could come? Then both of us could?
Go.
Come on. Come with me.
Go. I'm gonna be with you.
Do the same thing that I do. So that I can feel the same.
Go.
You didn't even hit hard. You said it. No, you didn't. You're like. Oh, that's pressure.
Oh. Hard. Okay, hold it up.
I fucking did it hard like this.
Kick it, all of them come out.
I want you to kick it. Knock him out. You got 3 came out. Kick it again.
Hey, look at my phone. I mean the camera.
What?
Oh shit! Okay.
Just forgot your own phone.
I'm back. So right now, as you guys seen the bees, so you guys couldn't see the bees, but right now we might do a suction video right now. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and like. So comment down below if you would do this. So peace out.